Hello guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. And napag-isip-isipan ko lang na take ng video regarding my thoughts right now, kung ano yung mga tumatakbo rin sa isip ko. And some of you, siguro you are struggling, you are frustrated sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay nyo ngayon. But just want you to know that God is in control. And God has a reason kung bakit nangyayari yan. And maybe sometimes, diba, hindi natin maintindihan kung bakit. So, for me, ang dami rin namang mga bagay-bagay sa buhay ko na minsan may nangyayari na hindi natin naiintindihan. But God is always there watching us. And God is always arranging our fate, no? Inaayos niya yung ating steps, step by step yan, and we just have to trust His will and trust His process sa buhay natin. Yun lang, and a short reminder lang from a friend, and hope that it would remind you again of how good our God is in our lives. Thank you.